Technical documents and reports sometimes require a different number of items to be included every time. Sometimes conditionally formatted content, or images from a content library. Bring your data into Excel. These are the 3 items you saw in that report. Maybe you have a lot of items, maybe 120 items. Docmo will produce this report, 20 pages, in 2 minutes. 20 pages of beautifully formatted content. Here's the template which produced that 20-page document. There's 4 tags. Here are the actions or the instructions which produce that 20-page document. Here are tag IDs. You can see we're producing as text, we're setting the style of the content, we're producing the image, and these spill formulas refer to multiple values. For each value it refers to, one item is produced in the document. Let's produce one document per item. You can see we have 3 documents produced now, and we're using the test title in the file name.
Et puis alors, la pièce de résistance.
What about charts and tables uniquely generated for each item? You can see each of the 3 documents now has a revision 2. Let's open all of them. Here's one chart, here's another chart, and here's another. Now what about producing emails with nice content? What about adding an attachment to the emails? For my electrical fast burst, I have the same attachment. You can see on the activity log I started at 10:35 and we just finished our last emails at 10:54. It took me 20 minutes to record this video and compose a chart and set up the email configuration, etc. We think Docmo is insanely simple. We hope you do too.